Hey everyone, it's Megan with the Crafty Planner Lover here. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. In today's video, we are going to be planning for the first week in my health and wellness classic happy planner using this kit by SweetTPlans. I am so excited to get into this planner. I have been waiting and waiting and waiting, and I'm so pumped that I'm able to finally get into it and finally start using it. So we are going to go ahead and jump in. I just wanted to share with you guys a few things that we're going to be using for my planning. So we've got the main kit we're going to be using by SweetTPlans. This is Frozen Lake. I do not believe that it is available on her website any longer, but you can get similar kits to this. So I actually have the deco kit and a few other things. So this is the deco kit that you can get. You can get add-on sheets and the add-on deco. And then this is from the Hobonichi Weeks, and I use this because I thought this would be good for me to keep track of everything. And then to go along with that, I have some mood trackers and energy trackers that I printed out from the interwebs. And then we have something else super fancy. You guys may have seen these in my previous videos in my Hobonichi Cousin when I used to use it, but this is the trackers. So this one is a symptom tracker, and I thought this would be good to use for the first week. Then we have some weekly pain trackers, weekly anxiety tracker, and a weekly depression tracker. And then I also have a highlight of the week, highlight of my week highlighters. These are from Hello Happiness Co. And she actually reached out to me on Instagram and was like, hey, I really like what you're doing with my stickers, and I want to know if you'd like to get a code for you and your followers. And I was like, absolutely, I would love to. She doesn't have a PR team or anything. She just thought that might be something that you guys would be interested in. So if you want to shop from Hello Happiness Co., you can use my brand new code, which I'm very excited to share with you. It is Megan20. It will save you 20% off of your order from Hello Happiness Co. And we really appreciate it if you would use that code, because not only does it save you money, it lets Hello Happiness Co. know that I am sending you guys through the channel. She's got a lot of really great stickers. I'm actually planning on getting some more eventually, not right now, but very soon, probably when I run low on these, because I'm going to be using these each week. So I have another sheet of them, but y'all know I got to track my stuff. So I am very excited that I'm able to share that code with you guys. And SweetTPlans, I am on her PR team until she kicks me off. You can use my code Megan24 to save 25% off of SweetTPlans website, and you will receive my freebie. This is what my freebie looks like for SweetTPlans. It is in the clear matte paper, so you can see what it looks like here. Just like that, it is clear matte backing, so it's perfect for your springtime spreads. So let's go ahead and jump into this week. If you guys saw my setup video, then you know that I have the weekly gratitude pages in here for the entire week. I had said that I'm not going to decorate that, and I'm still not going to decorate it. I'm going to see how it will work for the week, and then I'll get back with you guys on if I'm able to actually use these or not, but I am excited to start this planner. All right, so I suppose we should go ahead and get started with the date covers and things, because I do want to add some things onto the sidebar. So I'm thinking for my food, I'm going to use this entire section. This is going to be probably my steps and workouts, and then I think this is going to be where I put all of the deco. I might switch it up, but that's what I'm thinking. So let's go ahead and begin with the trackers, the days of the week. Now this kit is not necessarily the SweetTPlans kit. It's not necessarily a kit that is for a happy planner, but I always say you can use a kit any way you want. You can make it work. You can trim things off, you can weight things out, you can make it work to however you want it to, and I am a firm believer in that. So always try out a kit to see how you like it. Okay, we've got that. Now I want to make sure that I for sure have my depression, my pain tracker. I have to have too. That's my anxiety tracker, which also I need to have. And then, like I said, my pain tracker. Okay, we can put those over here. I also like to track my meals and my habits. So I think we're going to start with our meals. We're going to use these two. And I'm going to get this white out because I don't know how much I'm going to be able to fit onto this sidebar. We might have to fit things onto the boxes in the center here too, but we will see. Firstly, we've got to get all of the, oopsie, let go. Got to get all of the things down. So, depression, I want anxiety next, and then pain. And then we do need to have our habits. I was thinking I might do the symptom tracker too, but I don't know if I'm going to have room for it. So that's okay. We will figure out what we're going to do with the symptom tracker because I still want the highlight of the week to go here as well. We're going to use this one because this is kind of similar to the color scheme that we've got going on here. And for that, I want to use a big box, but not too big. Maybe this red one. It's a little big, but will have to work. All right, so we've got that. I've got to figure out, this is a new way, like a new layout. So I've got to figure out how I want things to go. We are not going to be tracking our health stuff until the new year. So I can actually cover this section up right here that has all of the what is this called? This is the first and the second, or the 31st and the first, 30th and 31st is what I wanted to say. So those we are not going to need to worry about. I'm not going to start tracking my health and stuff until the 1st, which is Wednesday. So we can cover up some spaces. And then, like I said, we are going to try to not use up too much space. But I can make this decorative. Like, I can make it work if I cover up decorative areas. So I'm not really worried about that. I think I'm going to do this one right here. I will be tracking my steps for Monday, though, because I do like to track those. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to white this out because I don't really need it. So that's going to be one. And then two. And we'll do this one for Wednesday. And oh wait, Thursday. Okay, so I want this here because I'm off on Fridays and Saturdays. So Sunday is gonna be steps. Use this one for Tuesday. Perfect. And I do want this for meals. Okay, so anything that I'm tracking. So for my health spreads, what I am tracking on those is going to be literally anything health related. So my mood, all of my anxiety and all that stuff. Like I said, this is going to be my food section. So you know what we are going to do is I am going to write this out. I'm going to grab my sticker book here. And we are going to use these fork and knife stickers from Sammy Lynn Planning to track my food. So I'm not doing this. So I'm going to start on Wednesday. So breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And then I also need a box for my calories. So we can grab these. And we're gonna have 1, 2, 3, probably 5, right? All right, so because we moved the deco here, we're actually gonna start breakfast there. Okay, and then I think the only thing I want to do now is add a little bit of deco to our spread to make it, you know, more fun, more exciting. I distinctly remember using this kit in my last year's spread, so it's fun to reuse it now and then. I like using a kit more than once because I think it adds to the spread, right? Look at that. That's so fun. I like this a lot. The last thing I want to do is put in a tracker for exercise because this is going to be my first exercising of the year. I'm really bad at going to the gym, so I'm going to try and go at least once a week for now and then move myself up to more than once a week. But like I said, I'm just really terrible at going to the gym and, you know, doing gym things. So I think once a week is good for now. And then once I'm able to actually, you know, keep on that, keep that going, I will move it up from once a week to twice a week and then keep going from there. All right, everyone, that is it for this week. I really hope you guys enjoyed seeing how I'm going to be using this spread. You will never see after the pens of my health planner because it's going to have a lot of personal information in it. It's going to have my calorie count and a lot of other things, and I don't feel comfortable sharing that on the internet, and that's okay. You don't have to share everything that you know. So with that, if you guys ever want to see my before the pen spreads, or if you ever are interested in how I use the spread, then you can shoot me a message and I will let you know, you know, kind of what I'm doing. But for example, this week is going to be the first week that I'm going to be using my health planner. And you guys haven't seen a health plan with me because during the holidays, I am so busy and so overworked that I don't have time to sit down and write things down. So that's why I don't do any from like Thanksgiving to Christmas, because I just don't have the time. I don't have the energy. I am tracking what I'm eating and still being conscious of what I eat, but I'm just not constantly writing it down because I can only do so much, you know? You guys get it. If you like this video and you want to see more from me, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you are subscribed, hit that notification bell so you are notified when I post new videos. If you want to see how I've set up this planner and how I am hoping to use it for 2025, you can check out my setup playlist. I will have it linked at the end of this video and in the description box below. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, craft on. Bye, guys.